I've got two really deep ingrained passions in my life, aside from my family obviously, conservation and innovation being another one. When I started playing around with drone technology, I always had this vision to be able to work off the back of the boat like this and deliver traps into remote islands, and you know, that vision sort of came a couple of years ago, and as the technology evolved, yeah, this week we made it reality and it was amazing success. The real point of difference in this operation was the fact that we were removing the manual labour for these teams walking the hillside with their packs loaded up with these heavy traps. You know, we're talking anywhere from 10 to 15 kilos for one of these things here, and traditionally the teams would be lugging them on their back up and over the hillsides. But on this operation, the teams never had to carry a single thing. We were able to deliver those heavy traps right to them through the canopy in the tree, and planning was really, really detailed. I was able to put the waypoint file on my controller, so I knew where every single trap was, and we planned out where each of the teams were going to be heading for the day. And with a really strict safety briefing for them, they were able to call us in down to the boat with two-way radios, and we were able to fly the drone exactly where they were. Through a hole in the canopy, we could lower the traps right in, and the teams could safely detach that and then go and set them. We'd fly back to the boat and pick up another load, and away we go again.
I've been doing this work with wooden boxes and steel single set traps for close on 30 years. The biggest challenge is this thing, putting them on site, carrying them onto site. It's usually a massive effort, massive logistic, organisational challenge. But today, using the drones has been just a revelation and a total step forward, a real sort of moment in conservation for the future, where it was just been so simple for all of us here on the island today.
We're able to achieve in a day what it would generally take a crew of guys, you know, a week to do. Yeah, the success from this trip was not only attributed to the technology, but it was a real team effort for everyone to be on the same page with the same passion and work together. It was a great success. Technology is advancing really, really rapidly, and I've even noticed that you know, our brand here has just released a new lifting drone. So it's just a matter of refining the our processes and incorporating the new technologies that comes and continuing to grow with that. It'd be great to see this sort of technology adopted more, especially in the conservation space. You know, we've proven on this trip that we have saved a lot of manpower and in turn saved a lot of finances for government organisations. So it'd be really great to see everyone looking to adopt this sort of technology.